Hey everybody, it's Miss Kaiser. Lesson 6 homework was all about relating fractions as division to a fraction of a set. Our directions for page 29 were to find the value of each of the following. So we're going to go ahead and start with this set. And you can see that this set has 3 groups of 4. It equals a total of 12 objects in our set. So if you have 3 groups of 4, you know there are 12 in each set, which we just said. Now, if you only look at 1 out of the 3 groups, how many is in one of the groups? So one group has only 4 objects. Therefore, 1/3 of 12 equals 4. 2 of the groups of the 12 in all has 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. And all 3 of the groups of 4, if you add 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3/3 of 12 is all 12. Moving on to B, we have a different set of objects. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. There are 5 in each group. I did this one a different way. I said 1 out of 4 of the groups of 20 would be how many? So I circled one group. I counted how many objects were there, and there was 5. Then I boxed 2 of the groups out of the 4, and I counted the objects, and there were 10. Then I put a rectangle around 3 out of 4 of the groups of 20, and I counted 5, 10, 15. And if you counted all 4 groups, that would be a total of 5, 10, 15, 20. All right, let's look down at C. C has the same exact type of setup, except for there's one extra bonus question. So if you are looking at this set, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. In each row, there are 7. So if you only look at one row, there will be 7. If you look at 2 of the rows, there will be 14. If you looked at 3 of the rows, there would be 21. If you looked at all 4 rows out of the 5, you would be at 28. If you looked at all 5 rows of 7, 5 times 7 would be 35. Now this is where it goes one step further. What if there were 6 groups of 7? There would be 42. So now you can see that our fractions and sets of fractions are getting into some multiplication and the opposite operation of division. So I hope you found that homework pretty fun. Should have been fairly simple once you got the hang of it. If you have any questions or need help, please remember to call, text, or dojo message me anytime. And by the way, I did not paint my own nails. My wonderful 2-year-old Carson wanted to give me a manicure. So this is what it looked like, and I haven't taken it off yet. So just wanted to show you that. All right, have a lovely day.